Brent from League City has a question about AC mold.
Well, he says it's a builder issue. It really is. Brent writes that these builders have numerous homes down there in League City with serious mold issues. He says from the attic and HVAC, he says some families who are told by the builder that they aren't sure what's causing it. The builders don't know what's causing it. They're trying to figure it out. They've had to move out of their homes a second time while it's being worked on. And this is a picture of the mold on Brent's equipment.
Mm-hmm.
So he says, I put a dehumidifier. You'll like this. He put a dehumidifier in the attic, he says, and hooked it into the HVAC drip line so that he didn't have to keep changing the bucket out all the time. But water has started to come out of light switches and outlets and lighting fixtures, and they've got a real problem there. So, Tom, Brent wants your advice. What to do?
I don't know enough to tell you exactly what to do, but I suspect that this builder is foaming the homes.
Oh, yeah.
And League City is close enough to the ocean to where it's a really bad place to do it. Champions, where I live, is a really bad place to do it, and we're not as close to the ocean. But if he's having that same problem in all the homes, I'll bet you anything it's a closed attic system. Mm-hmm. And dehumidifiers sometimes will solve it, but not when it's throwing water all over the house, down your light fixtures and stuff. I don't think that's a good idea.
That's a bad mix.
Yeah, you have to do it. You have to get these really expensive industrial ones, and it's not worth it. But my question is the attic foamed? And if it is, that's the problem.
So what's the fix? You got to
remove the foam. But now, what's the fix for this builder? Remove the foam in every one of his homes and never put it back in. Sheesh. That probably would put the builder out of business.
This is ugly.
Yeah. No, it's terrible. And it's unfortunate you got stuck with a home. As a homeowner, if you do it yourself, great, but it's going to make a real mess for the neighborhood.
So Brent is an example why you don't do the closed foam in an attic. Sorry, Brent, but maybe you'll help some other people here.
It's like neighborhoods in Florida that got all that Chinese drywall years ago.
Oh, boy, yeah, I remember.
Those homes are still sitting with no one in them. And so the whole neighborhood is dragged down because of the different problems they had that nobody can afford to fix. Be careful.
I don't know what to add to that. Does that feel bad for Brent?
Yeah.
All right. Keep us posted what happens with that, Brent. Meanwhile, all y'all send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them whether you like the answer or not. Just like we did in these videos over here. And subscribe to our channel. We'll let you know when there's a new one.